In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best CNC laser modules available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the CNC laser modules mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 40W Laser Module for CNC Machines. This 40W laser module is an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With an engraving accuracy of 0.08 mm, it delivers ultra-fine precision, perfect for detailed work. Its intelligent temperature adjustment system reduces noise during operation, making it ideal for home and workshop use. Compatible with 95% of cutting machines on the market, it supports engraving on various materials such as wood, leather, plastic, and paper. Currently available at a discounted price of $64.70, it offers great value for anyone looking to enhance their CNC projects. Number 4, AENBUSLM 40W/80W CNC Laser Head. The AENBUSLM 40W/80W Laser Engraving Head is a powerful upgrade for CNC users focused on precision. It boasts 3-4x better performance compared to traditional laser modules, with high accuracy and speed. Installation is straightforward thanks to its compact build and included 28 cm cable. The protective cover filters out harmful blue light, ensuring safer usage. This module is capable of engraving and cutting across materials like metal, wood, leather, rubber, and acrylic. Priced at $59.83, it's a top choice for versatile, precise, and safe laser work. Number 3, Laser Tree K20 High Power Module. The Laser Tree K20 is a high-powered laser module built for serious engraving and cutting tasks. It effortlessly cuts through up to 12 mm basswood plywood and features built-in air assist to ensure cleaner, smoother results. The module includes a temperature display for safe operation and a red cross-line locating system that helps in positioning and secondary processing. Ideal for professionals, its price of $245.75, down from $738, makes it a high-performance yet cost-effective solution for advanced CNC users. Number 2, NUOF 80W CNC Laser Module. The NUOF 80W laser module is designed for powerful, high-speed performance. It can directly engrave mirror stainless steel without the need for a black coating and boasts an impressive engraving speed of 30 mm per second on steel. This module cuts 8 to 10 mm plywood in a single pass and features a high-quality diode with a 20,000-hour lifespan. Tailored for woodworkers, hobbyists, and small business owners, it's an excellent blend of performance and durability. Now available for $107.84, it's a solid investment for professional-grade CNC work. Number 1, NEJE 80 Laser Engraving Cutting Module. The NEJE 80 stands at the top for its premium build and exceptional capabilities. It supports NEJE Max 4 Z-axis control for precise multi-layer cutting, and includes a high-transmittance replaceable lens, 99.99%, for consistent quality. With a lifespan up to 10x longer than standard modules and an impressive 6666W/mm superscript 2 power density, it delivers top-tier engraving and cutting performance. At just $79, this module combines cutting-edge technology and unbeatable value, making it the top choice for serious creators.